Hi guys, and welcome back to our VPC series. So in the previous video, what we did is we then went ahead and started, populating our module for our VPC with all the required or necessary arguments, which we did successfully. We cleared out a lot of the errors that I had, misspellings and all of that. And then we ended up running the plan where it told us what resources are going to be created. So the plan with this video is to run Terraform apply, and I'm going to say auto approve here so that it doesn't have to ask me for further permission. You can just go ahead and act on the plan that it produced in the previous step. So yeah, let's go for it and see if all of these will be provisioned successfully. Okay, I think because it might take a while, I think I'm going to stop the video here, and then I'll come back when it's provisioned everything.